Hello friends! Have you also experienced challenging times when everything goes with difficulty? Disruptions occur for no apparent reason. You are weakened, your energies are low, and your way is blocked. Some people experience this over very long periods of time. If this is the case, you are probably suffering from the effects of the evil eye, or negative energies originating from people around you, or even a spiritual contamination that has developed within you. The Kabbalah takes the broad subject of the evil eye very seriously. It teaches about spiritual pollution, harsh energies, blockages, and decrees. Negative energies are considered a dangerous factor that can disrupt your life, regardless of their origin. Those who are spiritually weak and out of balance are more vulnerable to the influence of negative energies. The Kabbalah provides us with wonderful tools with which we can purify negative energies, transform our conscious vessels, and release the blockages in the flow of abundance. In this special course, you will learn about the reasons for the formation of blockages in your life, about spells and the evil eye, and also about your internal atmosphere, which, if it is out of balance, may open the door for the invasion of negative forces that can make you miserable. We shall talk about the world of shells, which is the source of all the forces of impurity and darkness in the world, and what its role is in our lives. In the course, you will learn how to apply holy names, seals of Solomon, verses from the Psalms, and other practices based on the practical Kabbalah that will help you overcome opposing forces, hostile actions, when others try to fail you, envy you, or cast a spell upon you. You will learn what happens when you are captivated by the shells and surrounded by negative energy that weakens you. You will learn how to keep your living space purified from negative energies, because it is your fortress and a sanctuary for your soul. You will learn how to extricate yourself out of the pit, alleviate the decrees, and open the way to success. How to protect yourself from negative influences, and how to avoid falling into miserable situations in advance. This is an opportunity for you to get a taste of 3 powerful spiritual tools, apply their powers, and feel their impact in your life in a tangible way. The powerful method that you will acquire in the course will help you overcome situations that seem hopeless, and will help you open the channels of abundance, so that your life will be led in the light, and you will be able to fulfill your mission in the world. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the first lesson.